Yeah, I have another special recipe for you. And yeah, recently there's a very popular drink that's being going around. Okay, I heard from a lot of people. A lot of people is buying it, and it's people mix like there's a drink called cola coffee. So pretty much basically just coffee mixed together with the Coca-Cola, and it tastes really good. That's what a lot of people say. And then of course I tested it myself. I asked my cousin to test it, and the drink is actually really good. Actually surprisingly, it's almost like fries and ketchup, or like mayo and ketchup. Oh, it's really good. So it's worth your while to make it. It's super easy. So instead of wasting money to buy the little can, cost like $5, $4, you can just make it yourself. Okay, so that's without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, in order to make this Coca coffee, we need the following ingredients. Okay, and first thing, of course, we need a measuring cup, because we need to measure the right ratio to make it taste good. Okay, and then of course Coca coffee, of course you need Coca-Cola or any kind of Coke, and of course you need coffee. I use the Stock because I found this brand is pretty good online. People like it, so I bought this one. And then the rest, of course, you also need a glass and a straw, of course. And then the rest is optional, because the recipe I'm following is a very popular recipe from Japan. A lot of people there make this and drink this, so that's why they need the other ingredients. But the rest is just optional and then decorative, whatever. So of course, in Japan, people put whipped cream on top. They have different flavor. They like the butter flavor, but we use the Italian flavor. Okay, so we use this one, the whipped cream, and I put Nutella. It's not for the coffee for itself, but just used to decorate the rim of the drinks to make it more fancy. Turning like a $2 drink to like $10 drink. And then you need. I just sprinkle some cinnamon powder. Of course, you can sprinkle cocoa powder or other, like your sprinkler, whatever, different color, whatever your choice is. But I only have cinnamon powder at home, so I use that. And that's it. That's all the ingredients you need. Okay, let's start off by decorating the cup. Okay, this is optional, totally optional, but yeah, I grab our lovely Nutella. Open this. Put some kind of container and I have some height. Okay, so let's just put like 2 tablespoons of Nutella in here. Just like this. You gotta make sure it's high enough so you can decorate the cup. So okay. So just kind of make sure there's some height to it, and then we're just going to put the cup, upside down into the thing, so you rim our cup with Nutella. Okay. So give it a spin and come up. Ooh. So you come with the I make a mess. Nicely decorated. Some parts of it I didn't make it even. So something like this. Okay. Now make our cup nice and even. Tastes so good. Okay, we'll move on to the next step. Okay, the next thing we need to do is put the coffee. Okay, so open the coffee. Put it in the cup. We need quarter cup. Okay, so we'll just put it in quarter cup. Here you go. Quarter cup of the cold brew coffee. Okay. So here you go. The next thing, so put this away. Next thing we need the cola, and we need 1 cup of the cola. Okay. So let's go. Okay, make sure you do more than the bubble. Wait for the bubble to disappear. Okay, so we can see exactly 1 cup. So put a coffee in there. So Coke in there. The next thing is they have ice, okay? So I just found out that I forgot to make the ice and we don't happen to have any ice in their house. But they put 5 ounces of ice. So I put the equivalent amount of water into it. So 5 ounces of water here. And then the rest is just more decoration to do. So we take give it a nice shake. Just add the whipped cream. So just, oh wait a second, before we do that, we give the drink a little stir. I forgot what that stir is. Nice. Now I'm gonna put the whipped cream on. Okay, so just go upside down. Yeah, I won't. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's sleep like that. It's okay. And then the last step, I just put the cinnamon powder, cocoa powder, or the sprinkler, whatever you want to put on top. Okay. So I just happen to have this at home, so sprinkle on top. Ooh, too much. Oh, okay, let's just leave it like that. Okay, now comes to the most fun part of making any kind of drink food. Is you got to taste them for free. Especially my cousin, you know, he do nothing besides just holding the camera. Okay.
Whipped cream is falling to the drink.
It's okay. You can stir it after anyway. You're going to stir anyway. So here, I will drink my version. I just, you know, we are getting older, so I just skip all the whipped cream, just do the coffee, okay? And then so, are you ready to test it? Yes. Okay, let's pick up and cheer. Let's cheer first. Yeah, don't cheer. I was hoping I can steal some Nutella from him, but oh no. Okay, you can stir and then start drinking. We'll tell you how good it is. Okay, just tell me how good it tastes. You like it? How is the one compared to the can I bought from Shoppers, the Coca-Cola can one from the store?
I like the Coca-Cola can.
No, we failed. Okay, but at least the taste is somewhat similar, right? Okay, yeah, probably yeah. Oh boy, yeah. So, well, you still like this one too, or no?
I like it.
Okay, perfect. So. It's my cousin's approved. Okay, so that's good. And I do like it though. It's pretty impressive. You know, you never thought it sounds so weird at first when you think about, you know, mixing coffee and Coke together, you know. But it turned out to be quite delicious. So, well, that's it for the video, and I hope you enjoyed it and hope you have a chance to make it yourself, you know. And especially today we have lots of snow, so we stuck at home doing this video. And hope you like it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Cheer, one more cheer. Cheers.